So here's the thing. James Hoffman, the coffee aficionado, if you haven't seen his YouTube channel, go and check it out. He had a look at the same kit that you just seen in the video, the little Swan retro coffee machine, and in James Hoffman's own words, the straight espresso is okay if a bit dull. But here's the thing, I don't generally drink black coffee or straight espresso. I got this to make lattes and cappuccinos. The steam one's there, it's built into the machine, and it was obviously intended to be used as a cappuccino or latte maker. You get a good finely ground coffee, like the Lily coffee that you've seen there, you can get that on Amazon as well. You'll end up with a damn good cappuccino or a damn good latte. You'll also notice I never put any sugar in, because if the extraction's done well enough, the innate sweetness from the coffee, along with the sweetness from the milk, is all the sweetness you're going to need for a latte of this size. I've had that machine for about 4 days now. I had never used an espresso machine in my life until I got my hands on that thing, and after a couple of days use, it'll be like second nature to you. It will literally be like second nature to you. Get the coffee, espresso pulled first. While that's pulling, get your milk ready. You'll seen that I was using Nido milk powder. It froths that just as well. And then once you've nailed it, you can get a cappuccino or a latte done in a matter of a couple of minutes, and it's going to taste decent. It will not blow your socks off if you're going to be using it for straight espresso, but for a cappuccino or a latte, yeah, it's a cracking little bit of kit. It really is. I'm thoroughly enjoying this. Anyway, that's it for me, folks. Have a good one.
Just a quick update on this beauty. Let me start here. So this is plastic. Just, you know, this whole thing is plastic, and this part gets easily stained, so you have to wash it straight away. I never really seen these going really up to be so strong when it comes to frothing milk. At the back, you have to fill it up with water quite often, so if there is any problem, it's because there is no water. I thought that these infos just good to share. Also, this part, I put it into a dishwasher, and voila, from this color it should be stainless. So I believe, like these, it should be fine when you put it in a washing dishwasher, but turn out this ugly color, so it's not so nice. This is fine inside, but like, what can I say? Don't put it in the dishwasher like me. Yeah, I think that's all I can say. You get also, yeah, you get a double pot, and you also get a single. Very beautiful in pink. Unfortunately, if you put the jack in like this, yeah, it says, I don't know, I can't really leave it here, it make it too frothy, because the pressure is not so strong, so you will have to keep it, this part inside, deep inside the milk, because it will just make it, I mean, I'm a barista, I know how to do milk, and yeah, this would not, oh yeah, this is the other thing, I need to really scrub it off, but every time I do milk, so much milk stuck there, so always clean it, otherwise it's gonna, I just didn't clean it for 1 day, and look at that. Yeah. So I'm happy, but I'm not too happy. I choose this because of this color, but I'm not so happy with the quality when it comes to the material.
Well, I'd say it's broken. It's never meant to make that much noise. And there's also water pouring out the bottom of it. This container's emptying out of the bottom there.
This setup is the only thing that's getting me by.